Okay, so in this video, let's talk about whether it's a bull trap and from which support it needs to bounce that it's more probably going to go up. Okay, so let's check on that. Okay, so first let's go straight on the BTC chart where I'm here right now. This is the BTC chart on the 4 hour. Okay, so right now BTC, if you see, BTC needs to bounce on this key support. Okay, so once it bounces on this key support, then only you can say that it's more probably going to go up. But if it doesn't bounce right now, it needs to bounce here, then from here it's going to break this key resistance, and then from here it's going to go up. Okay, and that's the bullish part. Okay, so if you see your bearish part right now, and right now I'll show you the bearish part. The bearish part will be this. Okay, so right now, if right now it's here, it breaks this key support, and from here it breaks this. Okay, once it breaks this one at around 28,760, then we are all going to this range right here, this support at around 27,750. Okay, then it's mostly bearish. Okay, so that's what BTC needs to do, the big move that we are all going to watch. Okay, so if BTC breaks this key support right here at 29,580, then we are all going to 32,000, you can see. Okay, so now let's talk about your next chart, which is your Ethereum chart. Okay, so for the altcoins you need to keep an eye on this support mostly. Okay, let's talk about the Ethereum chart. Okay, so for your Ethereum chart, right now you need to watch this key support, this key resistance at around 1960 for Ethereum chart. Okay, so once it breaks, makes it as support, you need to enter all your longs right here. Okay, only if it does that, then we enter longs, then others we just watch. But if it doesn't break this resistance, it keeps being here, but it breaks this key support, then we short it. Okay, so if it breaks at $1,847 one Ethereum, it breaks that support, it breaks, keeps it as a resistance, and then we short it right here. Okay, and then we put our take profits right here at around 1,773. Okay, so that's for your Ethereum chart. And more probably if Ethereum breaks this support at around 1,847, then Bitcoin also too will break that bearish support, right? And it more probably go down. Okay, so now let's talk about your, okay, so for Bitcoin needs to break this key support. Okay, let me show you that. Bitcoin needs to break this key support at around 28,760, then all the altcoins are down, right? So now let's talk about the next chart, which is your AVAX. Okay, for AVAX chart, we are too watching this key resistance around $18.06, right? We're watching at that support, sorry, that resistance. Once it breaks it, makes it a support, we enter all our long buys. Till then we just watch. Okay, but for a bearish part will be if it breaks this key support at around $16.38, which Bitcoin will break that support at 28,760, right? Then we are all going to go down. Okay, so then we enter short right here, and it's more probably going to go down, and here we put our take profit around $14.26. That's for AVAX chart. Now let's talk about the next chart, which is your Solana chart. Okay, so for Solana chart also we'll be watching this resistance. Okay, $22.73. So once it breaks that, makes a support, we enter all our longs. Okay, but if BTC breaks that 28,760, right, then then Solana will be breaking this key support at around $21.29. Then it breaks, we enter short right here, and then we put our take profits right here around $19.88. Okay, so that's for Solana chart. Now let's talk about the next chart, which is your dot chart. Okay, so for dot chart also, it too needs to break this key resistance around $6.19. Okay, once it breaks that, makes it as support, we enter all our longs. But if Bitcoin breaks that 28,760 range, right, and goes down, we'll probably all the altcoins are going to go down. So we put a short right here. Once dot breaks, it's $5.78. Okay, then it breaks, we enter a short right here, then it goes down, and we put our take profits right here, at around $5.25, and we put a stop loss here when it goes down, and again it makes a hip, it goes down, we put a stop loss here. Okay, so even if it goes up, we get a profit. Okay, so now let's talk about your next chart, which is your Cardano chart. Okay, so let's talk about a Cardano chart. Okay, so once Cardano breaks this key resistance around 0.41 cents, okay, and makes it as support, we enter all our longs. And even if Bitcoin breaks that key resistance, we are going to 32. So all the altcoins also the money is going to flow, and we are going to be in a good long. Okay, but if Bitcoin breaks that 28,760, then we'll be probably entering our shorts right here. Okay, and then we put our short position right here, and we put our take profits right here at around 0.35 cents. Okay, so for our ADA chart. Okay, but the key, if y'all want, even y'all can short here, but no, don't risk it, let it. Okay, so now let's talk about your next chart, which is your algo. Okay, so for algo run chart 2, we need to wait till it breaks the 0.19 cents, okay, to enter big longs. Okay, till then you don't need to short, because this is the lowest that Algorand has gone. Okay, so if you're getting here, good chance to buy. Okay, no shorting. For chart is no use of shorting, because if you see this chart on a daily, you'll realize why. So this chart on a daily, you see that here one time it touched right there, then you go see this on daily, right? Then here is the second time, and here's the third time. So this is the third, and maybe the fourth time it touches, we need to buy. Obviously we need to buy. Okay, so that's for Algorand chart. Now let's talk about your next chart, which is your near chart. Okay, so for a near chart right now, we'll be watching this key. We'll be watching once it breaks this key resistance around $2.03, right? Once it breaks that, makes support, we enter all along. Okay, for a short position, once BTC breaks 28,760 range, right? Support, we need to enter a short right here at around $1.9, wait, $1.88, right? And then we enter a short, and then we ride it all the way to a take profits to around $1.72. Okay, so now let's talk about the next chart, which is your phantom chart. Okay, so for phantom chart also, we need to watch this key resistance around 0.44 cents. Once it breaks that, makes support, Bitcoin is probably going to go up, right? And all the altcoins too are going to go up. So we need to put a good long position right here once it makes the support. But if Bitcoin breaks the 28,760 range, right, all the altcoins too, phantom is also too going to go down. So we need to put a short position right here at around 0.40 cents. Put a short position right here once it makes a resistance, and then put a take profits right here at around 0.33 cents at this. Okay, so now let's check into the crypto trends. Okay, so for the crypto trends right now, we are here. We see Wu pumping, ICP on a daily. This is the daily. ICP is pumping render, then IMX. Now let's go straight over there for crypto trends. That's here. Okay, so Wu, let's check Wu first. Okay, so Wu is pumping. Okay, so right now what we'll do, right now Wu is very bullish. Okay, so right now I'll show you on a 30 minutes, so I can enter this trade right nicely if I want to enter. Okay, so right now, okay, see on a 30-minute chart, you all also go and you'll check. Okay, so once it breaks, once you can see this, right, once Wu chart breaks this key resistance, okay, it breaks, makes support. I'll show you properly. Once Wu breaks this resistance, okay, breaks this, makes the support, we enter all our longs right here. Okay, and we put a stop loss right here. Okay, so that's why Wu chart, if it keeps going up, it breaks, we need to wait, it breaks, make support, then we enter. Okay, because this is bullish. Okay, now let's talk about a INJ chart. Okay, so for INJ chart, so wait 1 second, 500. I'll just put it on a 4 hours so we can see properly. Okay, so for your INJ chart right now, we'll check. Okay, so for INJ chart also, we don't long, we don't short, because there's nothing for us. There's no evidence that it's going to go up or down. Okay, so we don't long, we don't short, we just wait. Okay, so now let's talk about your next chart, which is your render. Okay, so render is already gone up. Render is already gone up. We have to just wait for it to settle, so we can't do anything. This guy is gone up. And which one was the next one? Render ICP, right? ICP. Okay, so for ICP, let me show ICP. Okay, so ICP also not that much, but if it does a triangle here, like this triangle, if it does a triangle here, then you can put a nice bullish, right? It's looking bullish. So you can put your position right here. Wait till it makes that triangle. It'll be like that, like that, like that. Okay. Then put your position here. Put your stop loss here. Then more probably it's going to go up. Okay. And you can put your take profits right. You can say this is the last one. Yeah. You can just ride it. You can just ride it. You can wait and put your okay. If you all want, you can put your take profits right here at around $7. Okay, on a ICP. Okay. You have to watch ICP. But mostly Woo don't miss. Then IMX, let's check. Because all on the bubble they're popping, right? Okay, so for IMX also, yeah, IMX also is bullish, and right now we have to wait and watch. We have to wait and watch what it does here. Okay, so if it breaks, make support, or it will do the triangle right here. You do a triangle right here. Okay, then you can put your position right here. So we need to watch. We need to watch. It's bullish till now, but we need to watch. Once it breaks this, probably make support, then we can enter. Okay. We need to watch, but your Woo is good trade on. Okay, so render also is already done, it's already gone. We need to wait for it to settle to re-enter. Okay, so now let's talk about your crypto news. Okay, so 1 second, don't know where I kept that thing. Okay, so let's talk about the crypto news. The first news is number of active Ethereum address hits 3 months low. Okay, wait 1 second, I'll just come. Okay, just skip this part. I was just trying to find my notes. Okay, so right now Ethereum, number of Ethereum hits all-time low, right? The number of active Ethereum, second. Okay, so the number of active Ethereum address hits 3 months low, right? So according to this news, that the number of Ethereum active addresses of Ethereum is all-time low. So in short, there's very few people using Ethereum, so the demand on Ethereum will be very less in the coming days. Okay, so now let's talk about the next news, which is total stablecoin market capitalization declines for 13 consecutive months. Okay, so right now the stables, all the stables except, if you see here, except, so this is the stable, see the stable market cap, all are declining. Okay, so the first one, you can see the first one is Tether, then the second one is, this one is USDC, this one, then Binance also. So only one stable coin that's growing is Tether, right? Only, so that coin only is growing. Okay, the rest all are flowing, going down. Even BUSD, since of the regulation, right, they are also going down. Okay, so now let's talk about your next news, which is this: the daily trading volume of Tensor. Okay, so Tensor is a new trading platform on Solana. Okay, ecologically NFT market surpasses that of Magic Eden. Okay, so Magic Eden was the first one to NFT platform, right? The good one, not the first one, but the good platform on Solana, which is Magic Eden, for the first time yesterday. Okay, so for the first time, Tensor, the new platform of NFT, is higher than Magic Eden's volume. Okay, see, if you see here, you'll see the volume. I'll show you, right? Okay, so here's the volume of, see, tensor is you can say dark, it's black, and Magic Eden is purple, right? So for the first time it's here. For the first time it's tensor. If you see, it's, yeah, it increased, right? See here, little bit. Okay, so for the first time they are like happy that the volume of tensor is higher than Magic Eden. And if you're wondering how Magic Eden looks, Magic Eden and tensor, they look like this. Okay, once, okay, so Magic Eden looks like this. Y'all know how Magic Eden looks, right? Yeah, Magic Eden looks like this. And now let's see how, yeah, Magic Eden, the website looks like this, where you trade and buy, trade. This kind of looks cool, right? Now let's see tensor. Okay, so a tensor also, so for your tensor, the tensor platform looks like this. Okay, so I don't know which one. If you want, just tell which looks cooler, you can see. I think the Magic Eden still looks cooler, right? For me, it's still looking cooler. Okay, so what this thing will do, right? This thing, it's probably a positive thing on the this, right? It's this, when this tensor releases their token, which they will probably release a token, I think so. The token of this we have to watch. Okay, but till then, tensor, for only for, like, you can say little bit, tensor is winning, right? It's the highest in trading volume. Okay, so now let's talk about the next news, which is this: Polygon announces Polygon bridge for its zero knowledge rollups. Okay, so right now Polygon, you know that they're creating the ZK EVM chain, right? It's not going to be a new token, the same Polygon chain only, but it's a separate ZK EVM. So they're creating this ZK EVM chain, right? So this chain they've created a bridge. Okay, so right now if you see the bridge that I was interested, right now the bridge has around, the bridge is just increasing. Okay, so right now the bridge is around 3.213 million in TVL. Okay, so it's not that much, but we'll keep an eye on this, on which projects also come on this chain, right? Because the early gems are more probably going to get 10x to 20x, right? So I have to keep an eye on those also, and probably I'll do a video also, so I can also know. Okay, so now let's talk about your next one, which is Crypto.com and Samsung to offer optimized crypto trading experience on ZK devices. Okay, so right now Crypto.com, as on the headlines you can know that they created a optimized crypto trading experience for ZK devices. Okay, so right now if you see, they even partnered with, as you all know, Samsung keeps partnering, and also Samsung partnered with the NFT platform, right? For the Samsung Smart TV for non-fungible tokens, right? They partnered with Nifty Gate NFT, right? Nifty Gateway, right? To launch their first Samsung 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 TV with non-fungible tokens, right? So I know that Samsung, this too will grow the crypto space. Okay, so now let's talk about the next news, which is Google Cloud partners with Polygon Labs to help grow ecosystem. Right now, you know, Google is just partnering with everyone. Whoever they partnered with Neo, as you know, then yesterday also they partnered with Aptos, then also with another one. So they're just partnering with this Google Cloud, and right now they have a they have a, what do you say that, they have a they have a program where, for only for it's a program helping only the newcomers, the startups in the space of Polygon blockchain, right? So they are mostly helping them for incentives and all to create more on the Polygon chain and use their Google Cloud. It's a program, right? So now let's talk about the next news. Okay, so right now, as you can see the headlines only, layer zero layer zero partners with GK Sync. Okay, so if you see here, see, layer zero is now live on GK mainnet, enables 30 chain. Okay, so right now you know that layer zero is on a omni chain, right? It's a bridge. It's a bridge, so it partnered with GK Sync. Okay, so as you know also this news, right? Polygon partners with that. Where's the other one? I think it's, yeah. it's a Polygon makes their bridge, right? So of their ZK EVM, and right now you see that this news also zero layer partners with ZK Sync. Okay, so that's it for this news. If you like premier content like this, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, click the bell notification bell so you don't miss content like this and you're early to watch. So peace out, crypto fam.